Your roof is one of the most important parts of your home, protecting your family and belongings from Michigan's unpredictable weather. From heavy snowfalls to strong winds and rain, the roof works hard year-round. Over time, however, even the best roofs begin to show signs of wear and tear. Knowing when your roof needs immediate repair can save you from costly damage and keep your home safe. If you live in Clinton Township, here are some of the most common warning signs to watch out for. Missing or damaged shingles. Shingles are your roof's first line of defense against the elements. If you notice cracked, curled, or missing shingles, it's a clear signal that repairs are needed. Even a small area of missing shingles can allow water to seep in, leading to leaks and wood rot. After heavy storms in Clinton Township, it's a good idea to walk around your home and check for shingles on the ground or visibly damaged spots on the roof. Water stains on ceilings or walls. One of the most obvious signs of roof trouble is water damage inside your home. If you see dark stains on your ceilings or walls, your roof may be leaking. Left unaddressed, leaks can spread quickly and damage insulation, drywall, and even your home's electrical system. Immediate roof repair can stop the leak before it escalates into a much bigger problem. Sagging roof deck. A sagging roof is a serious issue that should never be ignored. This usually indicates structural damage, often caused by prolonged water exposure or too much weight from snow accumulation. In Clinton Township's snowy winters, sagging roofs are especially risky. If your roofline appears uneven or dipped in certain areas, call a roofing professional immediately to prevent a potential collapse. Granules in your gutters. As asphalt shingles age, they lose protective granules that help shield your home from UV rays and weather. If you notice an excessive amount of granules in your gutters, it's a warning sign that your shingles are deteriorating. Without these granules, your roof becomes more vulnerable to leaks and faster aging, meaning timely repair or replacement is necessary. Moss, algae, or mold growth. While a little moss may seem harmless, it can hold moisture against your roof and cause shingles to decay. In humid or shaded areas of Clinton Township, moss and algae growth can spread quickly. Mold is even more concerning, as it can indicate trapped moisture inside your roof. Professional cleaning and repair help restore your roof and prevent long-term damage. Rising energy bills. Have you noticed your heating or cooling costs suddenly spiking? A damaged roof may be to blame. Cracks, leaks, or poor insulation caused by roofing issues can allow air to escape, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. Repairing your roof not only protects your home but can also improve energy efficiency and lower your monthly bills. Daylight coming through the attic. Head up to your attic and check during the day. If you see beams of sunlight shining through, your roof has holes or gaps. What lets light in will also let in water, pests, and cold drafts. This problem requires immediate attention to seal openings and maintain the integrity of your home. Take action before it's too late. Roof issues don't go away on their own. In fact, small problems can turn into major damage if ignored. If you've noticed any of these signs in your Clinton Township home, scheduling an inspection with a professional roofing contractor is the safest step. Prompt repairs will extend the life of your roof, protect your home's value, and give you peace of mind. Your roof is a critical investment. Don't wait until a minor issue turns into an emergency. Act quickly, and your home will stay safe, dry, and secure for years to come.